Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding Together. My name is Vikas Oja. Today we will see another Leetcode problem, that is valid parenthesis. It's an easy level question and it's a very popular question, as you can see from the likes. So let's read the problem statement. That we are given with a string s with these characters, like only the brackets, closing and opening, parentheses, braces and square brackets. We have to determine if the input string is valid or not. And the valid criterias are: the open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets, open bracket must be closed in the correct order, and every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. So let's try to understand this problem with the example with all the conditions that are mentioned. So first is that so we have three types of closing and opening brackets. So parenthesis, square bracket and curly braces. These are the three types of opening brackets, and closed parenthesis, closed square bracket and closed curly braces. These are the three closed brackets. Now the opening bracket must be closed by the corresponding closed bracket. So for parenthesis it should be, for the opening parenthesis it should be closed parenthesis, for the open square bracket it should be closed square bracket, and for open curly braces it should be closed curly bracket. So this is a right, but this is wrong. The open parenthesis cannot be closed by the square closed bracket, so this is incorrect. Now the order needs to be also correct. So suppose we have a open parenthesis and a square bracket, it cannot be closed by a parenthesis first and then the square bracket. This is incorrect. It has to be parenthesis, square bracket, then square bracket closed and closed parenthesis. This is incorrect. This is correct. Now if so this is a classic example, classic case of stack, right? Classic case of stack implementation. So we will maintain a stack, right? We will maintain a stack. Stack works in LIFO, that is last in first out order. So whenever we have a opening brackets, whenever we have opening brackets from any of these three, we'll put it into the stack, and whenever we have the closing brackets, we'll pop from the stack. So let's dry run. So we have a opening parenthesis, we'll put into the stack. Then again we have a open square bracket, we'll put into the stack. Now we have a closed square bracket. So as soon as we have a closed square bracket, the matching bracket is a open square bracket. So let's pop. So pop will give the last element from the stack, so that is a open square bracket, so that is true. Now the next character is the closed parenthesis, so we'll pop the element, next top element, that is open parenthesis, from the stack, and that is a match, then it's return true. Now the next element is a open curly brace, so we will add this into the stack. And now the next character is a closed curly brace, so we'll pop from the stack, that is a open curly brace, then again it's a match. So let's try to see another example where the order is changed. So suppose we have a open parenthesis, then a square bracket, then a closed parenthesis, then a square bracket. So what will happen? We have a open curly braces, we have open parenthesis, we'll add in the stack, open square bracket, add in the stack. Now we have a closed parenthesis, so we'll pop from the stack. So we'll pop the top element, that is square bracket. So this is a mismatch, so it will return false. So let's see the code part of it. So we have our stack initialized, right? And if the s dot length is not even, because all the brackets can be open and closed if the size is a even number. So will, if the size is not even, will return false. Otherwise we'll iterate over the for loop for the length of the string. We'll take each character by character at the indexes, and we'll compare whether they are the starting brackets or not, opening brackets or not. If they are opening brackets, we'll put into the stack, right? If the stack is empty, it means we have not we have no characters matching the opening brackets, so we'll return false, because we have to deal with these characters, right? Opening brackets or the closing brackets. Now else, if we have put it to the stack, if we have found any of these opening brackets, and now the next character is a closing bracket of any of the three, then we'll pop from the stack and we'll check the corresponding opening brackets. So for parenthesis, it should be open parenthesis. For the closed square bracket, it should be open square bracket, and for closed curly braces, it should be open curly braces, right? And if they do not match, right, there is a not condition. If they do not match, we'll return false. Otherwise, if the for loop is executed successfully, it means at the last stack will be empty, and if it is empty, will return true. So let's run this solution. So yeah, all the test cases are passing, so it means the solution is working correctly. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.